2-wire method, we prefer the 2 wires. But talk about the 3-wire method, then definitely in place of 2 wire, we have to use 3 wires as shown in figure. As I discussed here, VP is used for measure the minor diameter, which are replaced by the steel wire or cylinder. These wires are made of the hardened steel to sustain wear and tear in use, as I discussed that initially. 3 wire, you have to remember that 3 wire method is most accurate method for measurement of pitch diameter. Okay, so sometime it may be asked in your exam that which is the accurate method to measure the pitch diameter. If sometime they may ask with 3 option like 1 wire method, 2 wire method, or 3 wire method. Okay, so then 3 wire method is the right answer. In 3 wire method, we have to use as the name 3 wires. One wire is kept on one side as shown in figure, and 2 wire remaining 2 wire are on other side. Okay, and here we assume also that the wire touch the flanks of the thread, and the micrometer anvil place parallel to the thread. This is the pre-condition when we use the wires. It must touch with the flank, all 3 wires, and the micrometer anvil micrometer anvil is placed parallel to the thread axis. Okay, that you have to also mention, because in one wire method it is not mandatory to place anvil parallel to the thread axis, but here this is the thread axis, and definitely the anvil must be parallel to the thread axis. The wires are held in hand or hung from the stand so that the wires can adjust themselves under pressure of micrometer. Okay. Now, now you can see in the diagram. See, every time the diagram is more important. From the diagram, you have to just solve or just complete the process. We have to find this h. Okay, so h is equal to e plus ये आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ तक का h है. After that, this figure, one side figure, we are zoom here. Okay, so after that or. Okay, दोनों साइड आएगा or. Okay, e plus twice of or plus OQ, वो भी दोनों साइड का. Okay, so that is total equation that we have to uh, derive here for measure the effective diameter or with the help of 3 wire, that H is equal to E plus twice of OR plus twice of OK. as we know that OQ is already we have. OQ means it's a radius, or we are consider that as a d by 2. Okay, so now remaining thing, that is OR, that we have to find initially. Okay, so we are finding OR by step. As we know, this figure, here we talk about the 3-wire method. So this is theta by 2, same way this is also theta by 2. We are focused with one figure of theta by 2, and let it may be vertical line, it may be the flank portion, and that may be the OL. So we know that this is the half radius. Okay, we are focused with this diagram. Okay, so that may be the d by 2, as we know, and this is theta by 2, and this is we are focused with the uh, OG, and this is maybe the end point. It may be tangent or flank portion. Okay, so sine theta by 2 is equal to OL by OG, as we know very well. Sine theta by 2 is equal to OL by OG. So OG is equal to OL by sine theta by 2, or we are say that OG is equal to, you just prefer here OL d by 2. So in place of OL, we are d by 2 into 1 upon sine theta by 2. Or we are say that d by 2 sine theta by 2. Now, as we proceed for the 2-wire method, initially we are finding with the help of sine theta OG. Same way here finding with the help of tan theta. So you just see same figure here, that is NIK, the triangle NIK, where tan theta by 2 is equal to IK by IN. Okay, tan theta by 2 is equal to IK by IN. As we know here, as we discuss in the 2-wire method, so same thing we are follow here. So IKP by 2, and this is we are consider as a M. So tan theta by 2, IK by IN. So IN is equal to IK by tan theta by 2, as we know IKP by 2 from the figure. So M is equal to P by 2 into 1 upon tan by 2. हमने साइन थीटा एंड कोसेक tan थीटा यहाँ पे सेम रखा है. While we talk in the 2-wire method, we are in place of sin theta, we are converting the cosec theta, and tan theta we are converting the cot theta. So that is the minor difference when we solve the 3-wire method. Now you just see the figure RG. Okay, so RG is equal to M by 2. Okay, we are finding, if I want to find RG, then you just see the figure. So very clear in your mind that RG is equal to M by 2. Okay, and already we define the M. So M is equal to P by 2 tan theta by 2, in place of here also 2 is there, so P by 4 tan theta by 2. Okay, now we are very near to the our answer that we want. Initially OR, and for OR we for H we require OR, so OG is equal to OR plus RG. From the figure we are say that OG is equal to OR plus RG. Okay, so now we are applying the derivation which we are getting for OG and getting for RG. OR we have to find. So OR is equal to OG minus RG. OG means D by 2 sin theta by 2 and RG means P by 4 tan theta by 2. Okay, as we know or as we already defined both the point, so we just put in the value of OG minus RG. So OR is equal to D by 2 sin theta by 2 minus P by 4 tan theta by 2. Now, as initially discussed that I want to find H. H is equal to E, that is predefined. So E plus twice of OR, I repeat, twice of OR plus twice of OQ. Okay, so I just put the value of H is equal to E plus twice of, in place of OR I just put the value that is D by 2 sin theta by 2 minus P by 4 tan theta by 2 plus twice of OQ means D by 2. I put that value, so I am getting at the end the value of H is equal to that much. Okay, now we know that for metric thread there is one equation, and same way for Whitworth thread there is another equation. So metric thread, when we prefer for the edge, so we are use that equation for metric thread. To find effective diameter, we know the equation major diameter minus depth of the thread, the depth of the thread, that is 0.6495 p. Initially we are discussing the 2-wire method, so D minus 0.6495 p. In place of E, we have put that value and we find the value of H, and same way for Whitworth thread, where in metric thread we have preferred theta is equal to 60 degree, while talk about Whitworth thread then theta is equal to 55 degree. Okay, so on that time the last equation for Whitworth thread is D plus 3.1656 D minus 1.63. So that you have to remember. Many times the theories from this may ask in your exam, so you were ready for 2-wire method, 3-wire method. Both time your figure is important. If you draw the figure in proper way, then definitely you can just find the sin theta first, then tan theta, and then as per the geometry you just define everything. The not matter with the notation as per your point of view, but if you clear in your mind, then that you have to find the H. So remaining thing, that is OR and OQ आपको find करना है, and if you are getting in proper way, then you get the answer in proper way. Okay, so this is the end of the third 3-wire method.